Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be looking at the Euro USD. Okay, but before we get started to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex and trading content to help improve your ability as traders and to help put some extra money in your pocket. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started breaking down this chart and this currency pair, okay? So let's start breaking down the currency pair before we break down the technical analysis of this chart. We're going to first look at the euro, okay? So the euro is a little tricky and has been a little tricky over these past several trading weeks, okay? Because as of the London session Monday early morning, we did have some very positive news come out about the euro that actually classify it as one of our stronger currencies coming into this trading week. Okay. But however, the euro has also several dark clouds hanging over it, which is inflation and also inflation that's brought about by geopolitics that is related to the Russian Ukrainian conflict that's being fought on the European continent. Okay. So that war that's being fought in Europe has destabilized the entire European continent's economy, which is also devastatingly affecting the euro. And those geopolitics is causing inflation to actually be worse areas in Europe than what it is in America. Okay, and this is also being catalyzed by this inflation is also in Europe being catalyzed by high gas prices as well. Okay, so despite the economic news being very positive for the euro, we do have those dark clouds hanging over it. So we're going to see some temporary strength in the euro, which is going to be more short to intermediate, but for the long term, until we get some resolution with the geopolitics and inflation hanging over Europe, over the European continent's economy, and also till we get some resolution between the Russian and Ukrainians with some type of ceasefire or halt in hostilities or treaty agreement, we're going to continue to see a long-term weakening of the euro. Okay. Now the USD, the USD comes into this week as one of our stronger currencies. However, it is starting to lose some trajectory in the strength that it's gaining, and this is due to the poor news that came out at 10 a.m. earlier today during the opening of the at the opening of the New York session. Okay, so the poor news comes out does not necessarily make the USD weak. It more so slows down its trajectory and gaining its strength at the speed it was doing prior. Okay, so with this said, that we're going to see some retracement on all the USD charts, and what we're currently seeing right now. Now let's go ahead and break down what's technically happening on the charts. Okay, so as we can see, we were having going down since the market has opened. Okay, and we're looking like we're starting to see price pick back up. How far can price pick back up? We can get as far as here, here, and here before we start to see some retracement and head back down towards the towards the short position for the long term. Okay. Now remember, these retracement is going to be buys and it's going to be for the short to intermediate. Okay, so we may get as far as here, here, or even here before we go to continually go back into the short position for the long term, okay? Because until we get some resolution with the Russian-Ukrainian conflict, and after they get that resolution with the Russian-Ukrainian conflict, the European Union can really start digging in and take care of those dark clouds that's hanging over its economy. We're going to see a long-term weakening of the euro, which means this is going to be more fit for long-term sales, and any buys that you see, any buys on a chart is going to be from short to intermediate. Okay. So I hope that information was helpful for you guys. If you guys enjoy our Black Forest content, please like, subscribe, and share our content. Subscribing to our channel will allow you to get notifications on every time we drop new trading content and new trading videos. Also, liking and sharing will allow our content to be pushed further in YouTube, so we can continue to build our community of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Also, if you guys have any special requests of any charts that you want broken down, and they'll go from stock, other forex pairs, metals, oil, future, crypto, um, anything that you want. Please reach out to us. You have three ways of reaching out to us. You can reach out to us by either commenting on the video that you have watched, or you can reach out to us via email or through our various social medias. The email and the social media links are listed in every description of every video. Okay. So please reach out to us with the charts that you guys do want broken down so we can best accommodate and serve you guys so we can continue to all be profitable on our trading adventure. Okay? With that being said, happy trading.